So you want to live in Silverleaf, but you want to settle for a little bit of a higher quality builder, but you still want to be within budget. Well, today we're looking at a 5-bed, 3-bath, just around 2,200 square foot home, got the 2-car garage, and we're priced under $600,000, guys. Come on with me, let's take a look, let's check it out. Alrighty, when you first walk into this floor plan, you got the nice wide plank, luxury vinyl plank, which is nice and scratch resistant. If you have a puppy like me that's in training, it's not gonna get water damage. So immediately to the right when you walk in, you get your first guest bedroom that's separated from everything else. Nice open windows, lets in a lot of light, not living in a cave. Your full bath, quartz countertops, nice walk-in shower. And then right here is your walk-in closet. And then coming down the hall, on the right, you're gonna have your kitchen and your living room. But on the left right here is gonna be the entrance to your 2-car garage, your linen closet, and then your HVAC right here. Now the kitchen, you got the quartz countertop, you got the upgraded appliances, the cafe series. Nice walk-in pantry, that's really big. I was not expecting that for this size of floor plan. Like I said before, just around 2,200 square feet. You got the microwave oven combo, and then your dining area is right here next to the island. Gas burner too. That's a really nice touch. I have an electric stove top and I'd prefer gas like that. Your dining room is right next to your island, which is nice. You're close to the action. A nice open living room right here. You got some windows to let in some more light. The lanai is huge, but we'll get to that in just a second. Down the left right here, you're gonna have a full bath, double vanity, shower tub combo, quartz countertops. And right across the hall from that is gonna be your laundry room. I'll put some built-ins in there to get it some more space to hang up my boots and stuff. Second bedroom, closet. Those posters are kind of funny with the dinosaurs on the Jeeps. Second bedroom, and then your third bedroom. Or excuse me, yeah, that'll be your fourth bedroom. Almost lost count. You know what, let me show you the primary bedroom first, and then I'll show you the lanai. And over here is gonna be your master bedroom. You do got a little linen closet, which is pretty nice. Put your beach towels in there, maybe just throw blankets. Tray ceilings, nice open window to let in some more light. The more light, the better. I don't like living in a cave. You guys already know this. Master bath, double vanity, quartz countertops, really nice walk-in shower. You got a little bench right here. This is maybe even a little bit too big for me, but I would not complain. Love those, the transom windows too. Separate WC, and then your walk-in closet. My fiance would definitely need more shelving in here. I'd definitely put some more built-ins because she has a lot of clothes. Alrighty, now the lanai. Let's take a look at that. Huge sliding doors, love that. Standard size lanai, and this is a really big one too. It's already comes screened in, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to spend money after the fact, which helps a lot. In the summer months here in Northeast Florida, it gets a little buggy outside. This is a 50-foot lot, so if you have pets like me, like I said, I have a little golden retriever. She likes to run around. Fence this in, they would be really happy. So being that this community is fairly new, you do have the option of picking your own lot and building your own floor plan exactly the way you want it. But if you do want to wait around and get a quick move-in home, something like we're looking at today, it's safe to say it's going to be under $600,000. Your HOAs for this community, all included, your community HOA and your master HOA, it's safe to say it's going to be under $1,600 a year. and you're gonna have access to Silverleaf's amenity centers, and you're fairly close, so you can drive your little golf cart over there and park it in that 2-car garage. And living in Silverleaf, you are very close to I-95, so if you commute to downtown Jacksonville, like my fiance, you're right there to hop on that parkway. Also, this floor plan that we looked at today, there's going to be a quick move-in ready home available in June, this exact one, and here's the price on the screen, $566. So if you think Northeast Florida has gotten too pricey, think again, because not only is this property fairly priced in my opinion, but you also got the incentives from the builders, such as rate buy downs, and in some cases, money towards closing costs. So you might just have to only put down your down payment. On top of everything else that you get with buying new construction, such as warranties, peace of mind that you're not gonna have to replace the roof or replace the washer and dryer in a couple years. And that's exactly why a lot of people that are moving to Northeast Florida, that are first-time home buyers, they're going with new construction. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this little quick view that we took of just this one floor plan out of many different builders here in the Silverleaf community of St. Johns County. For those that don't already know, my name is Benjamin Schneider. I'm an independent real estate agent, separate from these builders' reps, meaning I provide you, my client, your very own just representation and advocacy, saving your butt. If anything goes wrong, I fight for you and your wants and needs. So this is not the right fit for you, this floor plan that we looked at today. Don't worry, because I got a bunch of other videos that I've covered in Silverleaf. So make sure you check those out, and I'll see you there.